If you want to change your alarm sound on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our clock application. So you can add up a new alarm or you can do it on already existing one. Let's add up a new alarm, it doesn't really matter. So what we gotta do, we gotta find our alarm sound. Here we'll have three choices between Bixby alarm to read out the current time and weather forecast over music as the other alarm rings. Spotify, we can use a favorite song from Spotify to use as our alarm, or a ringtone. So for example, let's press ringtone, press allow. So here you can have here you actually see a lot of different options, a lot of preset options, right? Also, you can enable your read time and alarm name aloud if you need to, and you can choose a language and whether gradually increase volume or not. So choose which options do you need. And if you want to add up your custom alarm, simply press plus, give all the necessary permissions, and here you can choose from the songs which you have on your phone, right? For example, this one. Great, will work. Let's press save and make sure that it's chosen. Go back, press save, and basically that's how you do this. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.